Hey everyone, I'm here today with a surprising piece of news that might change the way we think about electric vehicles, or EVs. A recent survey by McKinsey & Company has revealed that nearly half, yes, 46% of EV owners in the US are considering switching back to traditional combustion engine cars for their next vehicle purchase. This is a huge number and definitely something to think about, especially if you're an EV enthusiast like myself. Now, why is this happening? Well, there are a couple of major reasons. First up, it turns out that the public charging infrastructure still leaves much to be desired. Imagine being on a road trip and spending more time searching for a charging station than enjoying your journey. Frustrating, right? And then there's the cost. Owning an EV isn't cheap. Not only the initial price tag, but also the maintenance and the electricity costs can add up. It seems that these factors are making some EV owners rethink their choices. But here's another interesting angle. According to Kevin Lachkowski, a senior partner at McKinsey, the automotive industry is facing the ultimate uncertainty. Car manufacturers now need to invest in improving both electric and combustion technologies. That's a tough call, but essential if they want to keep up with consumer needs and expectations. So, what does this mean for you and me? Well, if you're thinking about buying an EV, these are factors you might want to consider. And if you're an industry stakeholder, it's crucial to take note of these consumer sentiments and push for better infrastructure and more cost-effective solutions. It's a pivotal moment for the automotive industry, and it'll be interesting to see how things evolve from here. Will the shift back to ICE vehicles continue, or will improvements in EV technology and infrastructure persuade owners to stick with electric? Only time will tell. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this and other tech topics. Catch you in the next one.